Oh man, I am excited about this one. You might have seen the previous video. I opened that gorilla alien, and actually that lava predator, and this queen alien watch, which is pretty sweet. None of those got, well, that guy back there, but none of the other aliens or predators. And also, I think I opened a diecast T1000 from Terminator 2. So this is an Action Masters 4-pack die-cast metal collectibles aliens, featuring the classic alien, Lieutenant Ellen Ripley, a facehugger and egg, and the queen facehugger and egg, and the queen alien. You see they all kind of fit together there as a diorama. This is made by Kenner in 1994. And so they made lots of different ones of these. I mentioned that I opened that T1000. And that and the T800 kind of fit together. I don't know how many of these other ones I've actually seen. I would like to check them out. Now, I have to tell you, this is pretty hefty. These are, die-cast metal figures, and they're pretty solid. And yeah, I mean, there's some weight to that. I would have a hard time guessing how much it weighs. I do have a scale, but oh well. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Where did I get this? I don't even remember where I bought this. Maybe probably like a flea market or something, or antique place. But this guy's been locked up for 23 years. And they need to be freed, because Ripley needs to blast some of these aliens in the face. Let's look at the trading cards. There's an offer there for a free special edition gold C-3PO die-cast figure. So I guess Kenner really wanted you to buy multiple of these. And I don't know, I guess they look cool on the shelf, but I mean, as a kid, in 1994, I was 12. I'd want something that, something like that you can kind of play with and has weapons and accessories and action features and things like that. I don't know if I'd want just these die-cast metal collectibles. But again, I guess they look cool on a shelf. I don't know. They look a lot better on a shelf than they do on the card, hanging on a peg somewhere at a flea market or antique mall. Alright, let's check out these cards. It's kind of a weird shaped packaging. So here we have the Kenner products on 615 Elsinore Place. Mr. Walter Davis, Marketing Services. I should drive by there. I live right across the river from Cincinnati in northern Kentucky. Maybe I'll drive by there. Well, I should mail this in and see what happens. Maybe I'll do that later. Alright, so we have Ripley. Some information about Ripley, the classic alien. The facehugger and egg. And the queen alien. The bad Mama Gemma. So, alright. Enough with the cards. So there's the queen alien. It's pretty cool looking. It's kind of a weird pose. With the facehugger, which actually, this is squishy. That is not die-cast. That's kind of interesting. And we have the alien, kind of your classic alien, which is you find there with the Alien and Predator 2-pack. Oh, his head moves. That's cool. Does her head move? Her head does move. And here we have Ripley, the big old gun. She kind of looks... That's not a very good likeness of Sigourney Weaver. I don't know who that looks like. Kind of looks like the guy on Perfect Strangers. Not bulky, but the other guy. Alright, so these fit together somehow. They're like a puzzle, I think. Yeah, so the alien goes like this. It's attacking her from behind. And then this... Let's go like that? No. I don't know, maybe like that. I guess they don't fit together perfectly. I guess they're... I don't like how they're all like touching. See, kind of there, but I don't really have room on my... Oh, I guess I have room. My Aliens vs. Predator nook of my dresser. It's a little dusty. Clean it. These are pretty cool. I like these. I think it looks better like that. With these two kind of separated. Why would she be touching that? That should be, I don't know. Probably more behind her. So the bases are all different colors too. You got like a dark gray, regular gray, kind of a green, and then a black. There, I think that looks better. There's the Flying Queen Alien. My regular Queen one is downstairs. Let's kind of move over here because I have a die-cast T1000 that you saw me open in a previous episode. There's some Z-Bots I've opened in previous episodes, and there's a Tom Cruise Mission Impossible. Alright, see, look, so here now you can get, let's move the Skeleton Warrior, which I also opened in a previous episode. A little shameless self-plug. So there we go. So now Ripley has some backup there. She's got Arnold, former governor of the state of California. And Mr. Olympic. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So there we got that little, we got some backup there. So yeah, this was a cool one. The Action Masters Die-Cast Metal Collectibles Aliens 4-pack with Classic Alien, Lieutenant Ellen Ripley, Face Hugger and Egg, and Queen Alien from Kenner, 1994. Yeah, so watch your back. Watch out for those aliens and those face huggers, and maybe Arnold will come and save the day. Hasta la vista.